How to set an alarm on Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on Android device. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to find and open the clock application on your device. It might be on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you find it, simply open it, and once you open the clock application, now here you will need to navigate to the alarm tab. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and then in this alarm page, here at the top right or in the middle row, you will be able to see the plus button. Simply tap on it to create a new alarm. Once you tap on it, now you will need to use the digital or analog clock interface to set the desired time for your alarm. Also make sure to select the AM or PM if your device is in 12-hour mode. Now, after setting the time, you will need to customize the alarm further by choosing the days, sound and name. Choose which days of the week you want the alarm to repeat by simply tapping on the day letters. You may also add the alarm name. Once after entering the name, now customize the sound, vibration, and once you're done, tap on the save option at the bottom right in order to confirm the settings. Now the alarm will be active unless you disable it. So by following these steps, you should be able to set alarm in Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.